IRS Form 12277 is the application for withdrawal of filed Form 668Y, Notice of Federal Tax Lien. You use it to ask the IRS to withdraw a recorded lien notice, which removes the public filing and can help your credit standing. A withdrawal differs from a release because it treats the lien notice as if it were never filed. Individual taxpayers, businesses, and their representatives file this form when they have paid the liability, entered a qualifying installment agreement, or otherwise meet the IRS conditions for withdrawal. In the Taxpayer section, enter your full legal name as shown on the recorded lien notice, for example, Anna Baker. Provide your taxpayer identification number, which for individuals is your Social Security number, such as 987-65-4321. Then enter your complete current mailing address, including the street, for instance, 123 Main Street, along with your city, state, and zip code, such as Austin, Texas, 78701. Accurate identifying information lets the IRS locate the correct lien notice and account, and ensures their decision and correspondence reach you promptly. After describing the lien notice and your basis for requesting withdrawal, review the entire form to confirm your name, identification number, address, and supporting reasons are accurate. Attach a copy of the Notice of Federal Tax Lien if you have it, then sign, date, and mail the application to the IRS office indicated in the instructions. Keep a copy for your records. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.